The Survival Shack by Sharp Survival is exactly what its name suggests. It's an emergency shelter if you're stuck in a place that's cold and you need to get warm ASAP. Sold on Amazon, this is a popular product with a high rating and hundreds of mostly positive customer reviews. But what makes this different from a normal tent? After all, though the Survival Shack is waterproof and windproof, it's not half as sturdy as the Sun Dome tent by Coleman. The strongest selling point of this shack is its ability to retain your body's heat within the tent. Constructed with reflective mylar, the entire tent looks like you're staying in some potato chip bag. However, if it's cold and even snowing where you live, and you have no choice but to bug out in the outdoors, this tent will keep you warmer than any other. The tent accommodates 2 adults and is about 8 feet by 5 feet, so it's roomy and very easy to set up. Ideally, you should put it up in an area that's away from strong winds. The constant rustling of the material can get noisy and annoy you. If you want to feel extra warm in the tent, you can sleep inside it and cover your body with a mylar blanket too. The tent is reusable, lightweight, and very affordable. In fact, it's so compact that you could pack one in every bug-out bag that you and your family members have. The tent is lightweight and they barely feel the difference. You get all that you need to set up the tent, but it would be a good idea to keep some extra paracord just in case you need a longer line to anchor the tent. Quite frankly, if you looked at the photos of this tent, you'd not be impressed. It looks flimsy and like something that will be blown away in the wind. Do not let its looks fool you. When you're cold, this tent will prevent you from getting hypothermia. Since you can't start a fire in a tent, this is the best way to keep warm. If someone is injured and in shock, very often they'll feel cold too. Placing them in this survival shack will make them feel better while you get the first aid kit and treat them. Even if you're not bugging out, during a crisis there may be a power outage. During winter, your house may become very cold once the heating goes. If you don't have a fireplace, you could set up this survival shack inside your house. Imagine that, camping in your own house. It may seem laughable, but once you get into the tent and feel warm after about 20 minutes, you'll probably not want to step out. Any prepper would be wise to get this product. It's one of a kind and has a very specific purpose. While you may not need it most times, in the event that you do, it will be fantastic. The price is super low and within the reach of most people. Get 1 or 2 pieces and increase your disaster preparedness.